Hi, first graders. This week we're going to write an opinion paragraph. And the question this week is, do you like learning from home or learning at school better? So let's put our outline in first. So we know we're going to need a topic sentence here. Then we're going to need an idea. And then a detail. And then, then another idea. And a detail. And our last idea and detail. And then conclusion. So as you can see, I have Co-Writer, and I know some of you have your laptops now and have Co-Writer at home. So hopefully you will remember how to bring up Co-Writer. If not, have your mom send me an email and we can work on that together. So like I mentioned before, the topic today is, and for an opinion paragraph, you're going to want to write the question. Do you like learning? Oh, that's a hard one, so I'm going to use Co-Writer. And then from, there's from, home, or at, there's school. That can be tricky to spell sometimes. Better. And so then in this topic sentence, we're going to write what our opinion is. And my opinion is I like, there's that word learning, at, there's school, and there's better. And then I need to come down here and say what my first idea is. And my first idea, I want to start with the word first as a transition word. And I think I like learning with friends. So I like learning. There's that word learning. I can spell with. And then friends, I think I'll let it be. Now I need to give a detail about why I like learning with friends. And I could say, friends, there's friends, make, there's make, learning fun. I think I'll put an exclamation point. Now I'm ready for my next idea. So I'll want to use the word next for my transition word. And I think this time I'm going to say, I like learning from, there's from, my, there's my. Let's see how, teacher came right up for me. And I'll put a period. And then we need a detail. Why do I like learning from my teacher? Well, I can say teachers are smart. They're smart. Perfect. Now I'm on my last idea, so I'll use the word last. And I think this time I'm going to write you can go to. Now, how do I spell recess? Oh, there it is. Recess at school. And why do I like recess? I think I like to take, oh, there's take, a break, oh, there's break, with my, there's friends. And then all we need to do is our conclusion. And that, I think I'll use all in all, learning at school is the best. So how about all in all, learning, there's that big long word, at school is the best. So now I just need to go back through, and where it says topic, I need to take that away. And then I need to take the word idea away. Then I need to take this detail out, this word detail. Then take this idea word out. Take this detail out. Take this idea out. Take this word detail out. And take this conclusion out. Wow. So wherever you see the blue lines, that just means I have too many spaces. So I'll click on the blue line, and I'll just click so I have less spaces. Click on the blue line, click the correction. They'll give me less spaces. And then remember what we can do? We can highlight our whole paragraph to see if it makes sense, and have co-writer speak. Perfect. So I hope you have fun writing your third grade opinion paragraph. Don't forget to turn it into your teacher. See you soon.